So, napansin mo na ba yung ibang bahay nakatenga lang for sale pero walang bumibili? Well, here's the reason why. First is overpricing. So, minsan nakala ng seller na mas mataas ang value ng property nila kaysa sa actual market rate. Buyers today do their research. Second, poor maintenance. Kung mukhang luma, madumi o parang kailangan pang ayusin yung bahay, well, buyers tend to walk away more than buying it. Third, bad location. So kahit maganda yung bahay, kung malayo naman sa essential like work, schools, or public transport, well, mahirap yan ibenta. At walang audience ang bibili niyan. Fourth, walang marketing strategy. So listing with low quality photos or poor descriptions won't attract serious buyers. And lastly, no agent support. Mahirap pagbenta ng solo lalo na kung hindi ka familiar or sa proseso na and pricing sa pagbili ng bahay. So gusto mong mabilis mabenta ang bahay mo at sa tamang halaga? Let's work together. This is your millennial agent and I help first time home buyers buy their dream homes hassle-free.